my name is Jean. I studied film at UT Austin and I make films using puppets and animation. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own movie using iMovie to edit your footage. There's just a few things you're going to need to have. You'll need to have a video camera, the tape that you shot on, a cable to connect your camera to your computer, and a Macintosh computer that has iMovie on it. And there's three main steps we're going to go through. We're going to first capture your footage into the program. Then we're going to assemble all your clips together, add a few titles and effects, and then we're going to export it out into a QuickTime movie. The first thing we're going to do is create a new project. Find iMovie on your computer and open it up. I'm using the most recent version of iMovie, iMovie HD. If you're using an older version, there may be some differences. Choose Create a New Project. Name your project and choose a place to save it. Then set your video format. You should choose DV if you shot a standard project using a mini DV camera. If you shot using widescreen mode, then select DV widescreen. Next, hit Create. Here's a sample project. I'm making a movie about balancing on my rollabola. The iMovie layout consists of three main elements: the view screen, the clips bin, and your timeline. The view screen is where you watch your footage. The clips bin is where you store your video and still photos. And the timeline is where you line up all of your materials to make a movie. To view one of your clips, highlight it, then press the play button. To stop, press the play button again. You can also use the spacebar on your keyboard as a play button. The timeline can be viewed in two different modes: the time mode and the clips mode. To switch back and forth, click on these two buttons. In the clips mode, each clip is represented as a square. In the time mode, the size of the clip is relative to how long it is, and you can also view additional audio tracks. To add footage to your timeline, simply drag and drop it from your bin. You can zoom into your timeline by dragging this slider to the left. Here's how to capture footage from a videotape. iMovie has two different modes: Edit mode and Capture mode. Edit mode is represented by the scissors symbol. Capture mode is represented by the camera symbol. We've been looking at in Edit mode. To switch to Camera mode, click next to the camera symbol. Now, use your cable to connect your camera to your computer. Turn your camera on and set it to playback mode. Your screen should now say, Camera Connected. Use the control buttons to rewind your tape to the right spot. Then, hit play and import to begin capturing. When you're done, hit stop. Every time you start and stop, iMovie will create a new clip. iMovie will also create a new clip if it finds a break in your tape's time code. Now it's time to start editing. Add clips to your timeline by dragging and dropping them. Press play to preview your movie. You can rearrange the order of your clips by dragging them around. You can also put your clips back in the bin to use later. Want to make a clip shorter? First, make sure you're in time mode. To enter time mode, click on the clock symbol. Now, pull on the edges of the clip. You can always make it longer again later. You can also split your clips into smaller pieces. To do this, highlight the clip you want to affect, then drag the playhead to the spot where you want to split. Under the Edit menu, go to Split Clip at Playhead. You will now have two separate clips. You can split your clips into as many little pieces as you want. To duplicate a clip, highlight it, then copy and paste. To get rid of a clip, simply highlight it and hit delete. All deleted clips are stored in the iMovie trash can. To retrieve a deleted clip, double-click on the trash can, then drag your clip back into the bin. Now I'm going to tell you about adding titles and effects to your project. To add titles, click on the Editing button. Then, on the top, click on Titles. Choose your desired title style. I'm choosing Centered. Then, type in your title information. You can also change color, font style, size, and length of time that the title is displayed. Speed is how long the title transition takes. Pause is how long it rests on the screen at the end. To add your title, hit Add. Your title will be placed on top of your footage wherever your playhead is. To put your title over a black background, check off the box that says Over Black. If you want to change your title, simply highlight it. Make your changes, then hit the Update button. You can also use the title tool to add subtitles. Scroll down to Subtitle and choose the subtitle style of your choice. iMovie offers a variety of effects. Some are serious, like brightness and contrast, and others are just plain fun, like fairy dust. Here's how to add effects of your own. Once again, choose the Editing tab. Now, choose Video Effects. Highlight the clip that you want to affect. I'm going to choose electricity. The window will show me a preview of what the effect looks like. Each effect has different attributes that you can control. With electricity, you can drag the yellow crosshair around to control where the lightning hits. You can also rotate the angle from which it hits. When you're ready, hit Apply. Depending on how long your clip is, it will take a little while for iMovie to add your effect. You can see how far along it is by looking at the clip's red progress bar. Once you're done editing, it's time to export your movie so other people can watch it. First, let's save our project. To save, go to File, Save Project. iMovie saves your project as an iMovie file. This file includes your timeline and all of your clips. But you can only view your iMovie project file using iMovie. To share it with other people, we will need to export a QuickTime movie. We can use this QuickTime file to make a DVD or post it on the internet. You can burn up to 90 minutes of footage onto a standard DVD. For a DVD quality file, go to File, Export. Choose QuickTime and set your quality to full. Then, hit Share. To create a QuickTime for MindBites, here's what to do. Select iPod, then hit Share. Once you're done exporting, you're ready to upload. So now you know how to make your own movie using iMovie. If you want to learn some more advanced tricks, check out my advanced iMovie tutorial. You'll learn how to do stuff like work with still images, voiceover, and music. Thanks again, and have a great time.